We've all seen them, massive machines dwarfing everything around them. These mechanical giants are the backbone of modern construction and mining, their sheer size and power a testament to human ingenuity and engineering prowess. They are the unsung heroes of our built environment, tirelessly working to shape the world we live in. They move Earth, lift impossible weights, and reshape our world. From the towering cranes that dot our city skylines to the bulldozers that clear the way for new roads and buildings, these machines are integral to our progress. They are the muscle behind our infrastructure, the force that turns blueprints into reality. Operating these behemoths is more than just a job, it's a delicate dance of power and precision. Each operator must master the controls, understanding the nuances of their machine to perform tasks that require both brute strength and delicate touch. It's a symphony of hydraulics and human skill where every movement is calculated and every action deliberate. One wrong move can mean disaster. The stakes are incredibly high and the margin for error is razor thin. A single miscalculation can lead to catastrophic consequences, not just for the machinery, but for the people working around it. Safety is paramount, and operators must remain vigilant at all times. But in the right hands, these machines become instruments of awe-inspiring skill. Think about quarrying marble. It's a process that requires not just power, but precision. The marble must be extracted carefully to avoid damaging the valuable stone, and this requires a level of expertise that only comes with experience. It's not as simple as just digging a hole. The process involves careful planning and execution, with each step meticulously mapped out. The operators must understand the geology of the site, the properties of the material they're working with, and the capabilities of their machinery. You're extracting a valuable material, one that requires careful handling. The marble must be cut and transported without causing any damage, and this requires a delicate touch. The operators must be able to make precise cuts and movements, ensuring that the marble is extracted in perfect condition. Every cut must be precise, every movement calculated. The operators must have a deep understanding of their machinery, knowing exactly how to control it to achieve the desired result. It's a skill that takes years to develop, and it's one that requires constant practice and refinement. The operators of these machines aren't just workers, they're artists, sculpting the earth itself. They have the ability to transform the landscape, creating structures and spaces that will stand the test of time. Their work is a blend of art and science, requiring both creativity and technical expertise. And it's not just about raw power, sometimes it's about finesse. The ability to make delicate movements with such large machinery is a testament to the skill of the operators. They must be able to control their machines with precision, making small adjustments to achieve the desired result. Imagine trying to pluck a delicate piece of machinery from a tight spot, or maneuvering a giant excavator through a crowded city street. These tasks require a level of skill and precision that few people possess. The operators must be able to navigate their machines through challenging environments, making split-second decisions to avoid obstacles and complete their tasks, or maneuvering a giant excavator through a crowded city street. The challenges of operating heavy machinery in urban environments are immense. The operators must be able to work within tight spaces, avoiding buildings, vehicles, and pedestrians while still completing their tasks efficiently and safely. It takes nerves of steel and the steady hand of experience. The operators must remain calm under pressure, making precise movements even in the most challenging conditions. Their focus and concentration are critical to their success, and they must be able to maintain their composure at all times. In the world of heavy machinery, the stakes are always high. The operators are responsible for the safety of their colleagues, the integrity of the structures they're building, and the success of their projects. They must be able to handle high-stakes tasks with confidence and skill, knowing that their work has a direct impact on the world around them. But the rewards? They're measured in tons of earth moved, structures built, and lives saved. The work of these operators is essential to our progress, and their contributions are invaluable. They are the unsung heroes of our built environment, working tirelessly to create the world we live in. So buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of heavy machinery, where precision and power collide. We'll explore the incredible machines that shape our world and the skilled operators who bring them to life. Join us as we take a closer look at the giants at work and discover the fascinating world of heavy machinery. The quarries of northern Greece are a testament to the power of heavy machinery. These vast expanses of rugged terrain, dotted with colossal machines, are where the magic happens. The extraction of marble, a material that has been prized for centuries, is a process that combines brute strength with delicate precision. Here, amidst the towering marble mountains, machines like the Caterpillar 993K and 992C reign supreme. These mechanical behemoths are the unsung heroes of the quarry, tirelessly working to extract the precious marble from the earth. Their sheer size and power are awe-inspiring, and they are designed to handle the toughest of tasks. These giants, with their massive tires and powerful arms, are tasked with extracting the high-quality marble that Greece is famous for. The Caterpillar 993K, for instance, is equipped with a bucket that can hold up to 30 cubic yards of material, making it an indispensable tool in the quarrying process. The 992C, on the other hand, is known for its versatility and efficiency, capable of handling a variety of tasks with ease. Operating these machines in such an environment is no easy feat. The quarry is a challenging workplace, with its uneven terrain and steep slopes. The operators must navigate these obstacles with precision and care, ensuring that the machinery performs optimally while avoiding any potential hazards. The terrain is uneven, the slopes are steep, and the margin for error is razor thin. One wrong move can lead to disastrous consequences, not only damaging the valuable marble, but also putting the lives of the operators and other workers at risk. The stakes are high, and the pressure is immense. One wrong move can damage the valuable marble, or worse, put the operator and others in danger. Safety is paramount in the quarry, and strict protocols are in place to ensure that the machinery is operated correctly and that the workers are protected at all times. The operators of these machines are highly skilled individuals. They undergo extensive training to master the intricacies of the machinery and to understand the unique challenges of working in a quarry. Their expertise is crucial in ensuring that the marble is extracted efficiently and safely. They understand the nuances of the machinery and the delicate nature of the marble. Each block of marble is unique, with its own set of characteristics and challenges. The operators must carefully assess each block before extraction, taking into account factors such as its size, shape, and structural integrity. They know how to maneuver the machines with precision, ensuring that each block is extracted with minimal waste and maximum safety. This requires a keen eye for detail and a steady hand, as even the slightest mistake can result in significant losses. It's a testament to their skill that these massive machines can operate with such finesse, extracting the marble with the care and precision of a sculptor wielding a chisel. The operator's ability to control these powerful machines with such accuracy is nothing short of remarkable. Extracting the marble with the care and precision of a sculptor wielding a chisel. The end result is a beautiful high-quality marble that is used in a variety of applications, from building materials to art and sculpture. The journey from the quarry to the finished product is a long and arduous one, but it is a testament to the skill and dedication of the operators and the power of the machinery they use. Amsterdam's canals are famous for their beauty and charm. These waterways, which crisscross the city, are not only a picturesque attraction for tourists, but also a vital part of Amsterdam's history and daily life. The canals, with their serene waters reflecting the historic buildings and bustling life around them, create a unique atmosphere that is both tranquil and vibrant. Tourists and locals alike enjoy boat rides, leisurely walks along the canal banks, and the stunning views that these waterways offer. But beneath the surface lies a hidden world of discarded bicycles. These canals, while beautiful on the surface, conceal a murky reality below. The underwater landscape is littered with bicycles, creating an eerie and unexpected sight. These submerged bikes, often covered in algae and rust, tell a story of neglect and abandonment. They are a stark contrast to the picturesque scenes above water, reminding us that not everything is as it seems. Every year, thousands of bikes end up in the canals, victims of accidents, theft, or simple neglect. Some are thrown in deliberately, while others find their way into the water through mishaps or carelessness. The reasons are varied, from drunken escapades to acts of vandalism, or simply bikes being left unattended and eventually falling in. This phenomenon has become an unfortunate part of Amsterdam's urban landscape, with the canals serving as unintended graveyards for these two-wheeled vehicles. Retrieving these submerged cycles is a dirty job, but somebody's got to do it. The task falls to dedicated teams who brave the murky waters to pull out the discarded bikes. Clad in protective gear, these workers face the challenging and often unpleasant task of fishing out the bicycles from the canal beds. It's a job that requires not only physical strength, but also a willingness to get dirty and deal with the unexpected. Enter the city's specialized crane barges. These vessels are a crucial part of the operation, designed specifically to navigate the narrow and winding canals of Amsterdam. Equipped with powerful cranes, these barges are the workhorses of the canal cleanup efforts. They are manned by skilled operators who have mastered the art of maneuvering these large machines in tight spaces, ensuring that the retrieval process is as efficient and effective as possible. These vessels are equipped with powerful cranes and skilled operators who navigate the narrow canals, using their equipment to fish out the discarded bikes. The process is a delicate one, requiring precision and expertise. The operators must carefully lower the crane into the water, locate the submerged bicycles, and then gently lift them out without causing further damage. It's a task that demands a steady hand and a keen eye, as even a small mistake can lead to complications. It's a delicate operation, requiring a steady hand and a keen eye. The operators must be vigilant, constantly adjusting their techniques to account for the varying conditions of the canals. The murky water, hidden obstacles, and the weight of the bicycles all add to the complexity of the task. Yet these skilled professionals make it look almost effortless, showcasing their expertise and dedication to keeping the canals clean. Once the bikes are hauled from the murky depths, they're taken to recycling centers. Here, the journey of these discarded bicycles takes a new turn. The recycling centers are equipped to handle the influx of retrieved bikes, processing them in an organized and efficient manner. The workers at these centers play a crucial role in assessing the condition of each bicycle and determining the best course of action for its components. Here, they're assessed for damage, and any salvageable parts are removed and reused. The workers meticulously examine each bike, identifying parts that can be salvaged and repurposed. This process not only helps in reducing waste but also provides valuable materials that can be used in repairing other bicycles. It's a sustainable approach that ensures that even the most damaged bikes can contribute to the cycle of reuse and recycling. The remaining metal is then recycled, reducing waste and giving these discarded bikes a new lease on life. The recycling process involves breaking down the metal components and processing them into raw materials that can be used in various industries. This not only helps in conserving natural resources, but also reduces the environmental impact of mining and manufacturing new metals. It's a testament to the city's commitment to sustainability and responsible waste management. It's a testament to Amsterdam's commitment to sustainability that even something as simple as a discarded bicycle is given a second chance. The city's efforts in recycling and repurposing these bikes reflect a broader philosophy of environmental stewardship and innovation. By turning waste into resources, Amsterdam sets an example for other cities around the world, demonstrating that sustainability is not just a goal, but a practical and achievable reality. And it's a reminder that even in the most unexpected places, heavy machinery plays a vital role in keeping our cities clean and green. From the canals to the streets, these machines are essential in maintaining the cleanliness and functionality of urban environments. They help in managing waste, maintaining infrastructure, and ensuring that the city remains a pleasant and livable place for everyone. The story of Amsterdam's underwater challenge is a powerful example of how technology, dedication, and a commitment to sustainability can come together to address even the most daunting urban issues.